Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Freedom Booster, a channel that helps you achieve financial freedom. Today we are going to talk about what banks don't want you to know. Before starting, please like, subscribe and share. Your support is our greatest motivation. Banks and their customers have a mutual relationship. We need them as much as they need us. Although we'd like to think our banks are looking out for us, they're not always as transparent as we'd like them to be. There are aspects of banking that aren't widely known or advertised, and many unsuspecting customers probably aren't aware of these secrets. Learn 5 secrets your bank doesn't want you to know about. 1. Banks want you to walk into their branches. When you walk into a branch, the teller seems delighted to see you, but don't be fooled, there's more to it than that. Tellers always seem to be pushing for you to open new accounts, but that's because their jobs depend on it. They are salespeople and have quotas to meet. Each new account you open means they will receive a commission. Tellers are also required to send a certain amount of customers to the personal bankers at their desk. The biggest commission bankers receive is on large deposit accounts. To avoid being upsold on accounts and added extras you may not need, try to do all of your banking online. If you have questions, call customer service. They might try and upsell you too, but it's usually easier saying no over the phone than when you're face to face with the person. 2. The more you swipe, the more they make. Every time you swipe your card, whether it's debit or credit, the bank is making money from charging the merchant certain fees. Promotional credit card offers will often want you to spend a certain amount within a time frame in order to be rewarded. Although it's a great deal for you, they are doing that for their benefit. The more you spend swiping your card, the quicker the banks make their money back from rewarding you. Also, banks are counting on the fact that once you've racked up the $1,000, you won't be able to pay it all off in 1 month, creating interest fees. 3. A closed checking account can come back to haunt you. When you close a checking account, you assume that's it. Well, that may not be the case. There have been instances in which customers closed their checking account, but forgot to switch over their autopay transactions, which caused their closed account to be charged anyway. This resulted in customers having to pay fees, penalties, and in some cases were even turned over to collection agencies. Bank of America eventually changed their policy due to the complaints, but not all banks have taken such measures. 4. There may be a way to avoid checking account fees. A lot of big-name banks charge a monthly fee for your checking account if you don't maintain a minimum balance. When you receive money via direct deposit from a company or the government, it is sent through an electronic network, or automated clearing house, ACH. Some banks, however, categorize those payments and all other bank transfers as PPD, pre-arranged payment and deposits. If this is the case with your bank, then you can deposit money from PayPal, online savings, or another account. When you check your bank statements and it says PPD next to your deposit. If so, this will fulfill the requirement for direct deposit, waiving your monthly fee. Chase is one bank where you can do this. 5. The Universal Default Clause. This is a clause that applies to bank-issued credit cards. It states the bank is allowed to browse through all of your open credit accounts, and if you've paid any of them late, they have the right to raise the interest rate on its card, or even worse, cancel it. Back in 2010, the Card Act was supposed to get rid of this universal default clause. However, the provisions remain that the interest rate can't be raised on existing balances unless you're 60 days late with your payment. You should avoid opening a bank-issued card that has this clause. There are plenty out there that don't, such as the Capital One Venture One Rewards card. Make sure to do your research before you commit to a card. To avoid this from happening to you, do your research when opening or closing a new account and specifically ask the bank what it means when you close your account. Thank you so much for watching. Hope that you can learn on our channel. Looking forward to creating value for you again.